Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm making this video about my husband, who is also a father of two. I'm making this video on his journey of recovery. Before all of this happened, he was a healthy, hardworking man who loved his family. He was always there for people around him, always willing to help anybody. When anyone asked him to do something or help them, he did not hesitate to do anything. Did not hesitate even. He would get up, whether he was laying in bed, whether it was raining, whether it was cold, he would get up and he would go and help that person. That's the type of person he was. He loved everybody and he made time for everybody. He went into hospital for what was meant for a spinal surgery, trusting that he would recover and return home to his family. But unfortunately, there was some complications of the surgery. Everything changed. He suffered serious complications, followed by cardiac arrest. So for half an hour they had to resuscitate him, and then he only came to, which was already too late. His brain was too long without oxygen, so there was nothing they could do for him. So they sent him to rehabilitation to see if that was gonna work for him. Right? So they tried everything, and during that time there was a lot of complications as well. Infections happened where they had to put him on different antibiotics to see if it was gonna work. Every week there was a different delay which pushed him back and which caused more complications to the brain. He had several seizures, different infections, chest infections, kidney infections, and it was very hard on us as a family because we never knew him like that, because he was always someone that kept busy. He would never sit still for even a minute. He would always keep busy. So for us and for me and the children, it was very hard on us and the whole family as well, because he was someone always that he would go out fishing. He would always be making jokes with everybody, always speaking to everybody. He loved everybody. But unfortunately, even he stayed in the rehabilitation for 7 weeks. It did not work. They tried, but it did not work, unfortunately. So they had to send him home, which he is currently now. But now, unfortunately, at the stage where he is at now, the stage where he is currently now at, we don't have any funds, any medical aid available, nothing. So he is not at work. He doesn't work anymore. So I have to see to everything. So his food that he needs on a daily basis is very expensive, as is his medication and the kimbis that we need as well. But most importantly, his medication and his food. His food, we currently give him through a tube through his stomach, and he has a trachea. He has a trachea that they inserted in order for him to breathe through. But at the moment it is very difficult and very hard for us to find the funds so we can see to his needs for his medication and the food. If possible, I'm looking for ongoing support, Kanala, for anybody who can. Like even a 5 donation will help. We have started a Back a Buddy campaign because we cannot do this alone. Every donation matters, no matter how small. If you can't donate, a dua will help. It will be sufficient. May Allah reward every person who supports our family during this difficult time. Shukran, I appreciate everyone and everything everyone does. Shukran.